This is Matt, and this will be a straightforward video on how to download Box Drive on your computer. So I am right here on the downloads page, box.com/resources/downloads. I will of course put that link in the video description, so you can just click on that link and you'll wind up right here. You won't need to search or anything. So Box cleverly works out even what operating system you are, so it knows that I'm on a Mac. There are of course some other options down the bottom here if you need the Windows version, but if you're on Windows, it should know straight away what version you're on. So like I say, I'm on a Mac, so I will click on this button right here, which kind of weirdly like fades into the background there. So we click on this button, and just like that, automatically you see the icon fly up there on the Mac. So I'm on Google Chrome, and it will save those files and folders directly to the downloads folder location. So depending on your browser, you will find the installer wherever your browser actually saves its files and folders. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Box Drive on your computer useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.